I just built my entire content brand using this AI tool. In fact, the thumbnail you're looking at right now, that was made with this tool. But that's not enough. Look at this one right here. Same thumbnail, but I added stuff to it, the brand colors, the fonts. I was even able to make some videos. So I was able to do that by using this tool. Stay tuned, let's get into it. One tool, one brief. In today's video is sponsored by lovart, but we're not gonna talk about this shit. I'm actually gonna show you how to use it so you can use and build your brand and all your social media content, whatever. Let's get it. All right, here's what I'm doing on the screen. I'm actually on here on lovart. You see the website UI is simple. I go in and now it's time to put the brief. What we mean by the brief is just your niche. Shit that describes you, your brand, your company. So no logos, no existing assets, just words. So I'll paste this prompt. And as you see, the prompt says, create the brand for the session. My niche is AI tools, making money online, mindset for entrepreneurs. I'm gonna put mindset for men. Tone, confident, and then you put your colors. So boom, 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 you see everything here. Then all you do is below is you're gonna go pick which model you wanna use. So if it's for branding, guess what we do? You pick branding. So now you want to get different logos, different design merch, bro. You can put your logo on a hat, different products. All of this is just right here, by the way. So that's my entire brief. And now as we sit here on the screen, we're just watching what happens as it works. But while that's cooking, let me show you the thumbnail I was able to make. So it already understands my brand coloring and it's already uploading and working on something else. So why don't we make a thumbnail like the one I showed you earlier? Okay, boom. Before we could even go show you a thumbnail or anything else, look at this. We have a logo that was made for me. I have a YouTube banner, a profile picture, a content card. So look, let's open this up here on screen. The session, look at that. Next we have, look at that, boy. Oh my goodness, this is fire. A little logo. Then we have a YouTube banner, bro. This is fire. And then we have something we could use for what, a story or something like that, bro. This is dope. All right, so we got our content. And again, if you want to change anything, you would go right here and you would say add this feature, or add this color, or change this. But we have everything, and all I did was type in one sentence, bro. This is use GPT-2, and in the time I was going to show y'all something else, it already made all of these images in one click. All right, so we locking in. You see, we already just made a YouTube banner. Bro, I got a logo. I'm lit. I'm lit. Okay, now we need to go ahead and make a thumbnail. I made some thumbnails earlier. Let me show you how you can make one, and it already has our brand colors, bro. Let's get it. So for a YouTube thumbnail, you've seen exactly what I did. I typed in YouTube thumbnail, no face, dark background, deep purple glow, bold white text. I built my entire brand with AI in 10 minutes. And so this is the thumbnail it made me. Y'all can see it here live on the screen. Cool. Pretty simple, not cool enough, not more. It looks like a robot did it. It looks AI, but let me show you. I added one sentence. I said, make me another one that has a picture of a man on there. Boom. Already the thumbnail looks way better, gang. So this is just me. I'm started a company called Kaivora. These are our brand colors. So that's the kind of theme I was going for, light purple or lavender, white, black, and it's literally following it to a T, bro. I didn't even give it a name yet. But y'all know me, we gotta push it. So I said, make me another one with a young black male with blonde dreads. Let's say he has tattoos. He has tattoos on his neck and arms. He has a diamond butterfly chain on. Let's hit enter. And so I'm talking to an agent. The agent is just cooking for me, bro. Y'all know these agents get crazy. And this one, I can actually vouch for. This is an AI agent that is doing the work for us, bro. And the time I wanted to show you another example, it made me a banner, a logo, a profile picture. Like, this is crazy. I remember we used to use Canva for stuff like this. And even Canva was way ahead of its time, but this is better than that. You don't have to manually be there typing, dragging, dropping. This does it for you, what an agent does. And you hear that click. When y'all hear that click, bro, this is crazy, gang. This is literally crazy, gang. This is fire. I built my entire brand with AI in 10 minutes. You see, realistic dude too, bro. Dreads, blonde, diamond butterfly tat. chain. He got the tats like we asked for on his neck. Look at the background stuff. It has everything we're asking for. Bro, I remember days we would go to Upwork, we would go to Fiverr, we would do whatever, and we would have to pay a bunch of bread for this. And guess what? I press that download button, it's on my computer. All right, y'all. I got almost all my stuff, but now I need a video. So I went to Claude. You can use ChatGPT, whatever. And I said, make me a prompt for a short form video. This is a short form video, 30 to 60 seconds, how I used AI to build my brand, blah, blah, blah. You can pause it right here if you want to see the exact prompt I use. So you can test it out for yourself and you can just put your, substitute your information in there. But make sure you click video. And again, they do have samples. So you can say, turn your product photos into a 360 video. You can do all of these different things, bro. They even got movies on here. You can make cinema. So if you want to add something from your computer, one of your pictures of your brand, your company, your product, you just click that right there, gang. Or you can even turn on web search and it'll literally search the internet for you. This is low key. I'm impressed. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, boys. Press enter, and then you're gonna get a screen that looks like this. Now, let me tell you why this is crazy and it's impressive. It uploads, I asked for like a 30-second video. It uploads them piece by piece by piece so you can actually approve each part. So that way you don't get a whole video and you waste all your generations on something you don't even like. Like, look, let me show you how impressive this is. I don't know about you, but I don't know how I would be able to type that in and ask for that. This is just something that is doing with its own intelligence. And so it put together all these different clips. But let me show y'all the full video it made for me as an ad, as a story post, whatever. Look how dope this video is. Let me play it.
Most creators spend weeks building a brand. I did it in 10 minutes. One AI tool, content brief, logo, voice, visuals, strategy. Done. This is what changed. Stop. If you're a creator or entrepreneur and you're not using AI yet, you're already behind. The tools exist. The results are real. The question is, are you going to use them? Link in bio. Start today.
And look, just to keep shit in perspective, I was like, you know what? That's a 35-second banging video. How much would that cost on Upwork or different platforms? And we don't have to name drop, but look at this. Upwards of $150 to $800 for premium animated videos that are explainers or whatever. We made that in one click, gang. You can go to Brand Kit and all of your stuff is going to be here as well. Your style, your display, your logos, the color palette, the symbol, everything you want will be right here too. So all this will be saved. I'm gonna keep it real with y'all boys. This tool just blew me away. I'm making my own app. It's called Kyvora AI. You'll be able to check it out for free down below. But that has the branding colors I use for today's demonstration or video. I'm gonna use the stuff we made today. I'm gonna use this stuff, bro. I'm gonna post it on TikTok. I'll post it here in this YouTube video. That was fire. Like, this is no gassing it up. I know they sponsored the video, but bro, go check it out for yourselves. Get the free trial, by the way, if you like it. Make sure you click below and get the free trial. But if you check this out, I'm telling you, you'll be impressed because it's gonna save you time, brother. I have to make a bunch of videos for y'all because guess what? We getting back into good graces. I wanna make my content and my content speed gotta be fire. So I brought y'all in with me live to show you me making content. Real deal videos, real deal thumbnails, and whatever else we want is here live in the flesh, bro. So, lovart, I'm impressed, bro.